Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great. Class 4, Subject Social Studies. Lesson number 2, Directions. Lecture number 5 from page number 7. Today we will learn about cardinal and intermediate directions. Have you ever heard the word directions? What is it? We use directions to avoid confusion. Direction is used to tell the way where we want to go. The main four directions we have: north, east, west, and south. Students, what do you need to know first to get to a place? Suppose, students, you are in Saudi Arabia and you want to visit historical places. You know just the name of that one place, but you don't know where it is. So, if you have a map and you know the all directions, so you can easily reach there. Students, do you know what is cardinal or intermediate direction? Compass rose has four directions: north, east, west, and south, and it's called cardinal direction. These directions are the primary directions. But students, these directions are not enough to indicate the place. So, between these primary directions, there are intermediate directions. Like that, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Look at the compass rose. This figure showing the cardinal and intermediate directions on a map. North arrow, it's a symbol to indicate the north directions. It's one of the most important elements you can see almost every map. Students, it's all about today's lecture. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you. All the best.